Hey, morning everybody. It's Keith from Jets PC. Happy Thursday out there. Stay dry out there. It seems to be a little rainy. Today I wanted to post about the newest ThinkPad laptop I've got listed for sale. This is the X280, 8th Gen i7 quad-core 8550U, 16 gigs of RAM. There's a 500 gig M.2 with a fresh install of Windows 11 Professional. This is a nice, easy carry. It's not very big. It is a lot lighter than, say, the T480 or the P51. It does have USB 3. It has USB-C ports, a Thunderbolt port, so you got your fancy stuff. And 16 gigs of RAM, so it's pretty zippy and moves along fine. It's priced at $350 plus tax, and it does come with a 90-day hardware warranty. So if you need an easy carry ThinkPad, come on by and see us. We're at 7543 Grissom Road, Suite 121, and summer hours are Tuesday through Saturday, 10 to 7. Come on by. We got a good stock of ThinkPads these days. Come on by and see us. Have a good day.